Congratulations! Your loan is conditionally approved. A SunWest loan originator is always on top of her approvals, no matter where she is. Break free with Morgan.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Mike Savino. We're all looking to be more efficient. Better, faster, stronger, you know the routine. And in the mortgage industry, that means getting the tools that free you up to work with customers. But which tools are the right one? And what piece of technology will help your company grow into the future? Some originators got to look into the crystal ball at Originator Tech Live. Our own Christine Stewart has more from Las Vegas.
Technology is changing the way the mortgage industry is going.
The mortgage industry is finally embracing technology, and some professionals got to see exactly how they can incorporate it into their business at Originator Tech Live in Las Vegas this week. Attendees say they wanted to find tools that can help them adapt to the market.
The industry is changing. There's a lot of pain points, a lot of consolidation amongst all of these loan companies.
And presenters were just as excited to show where the industry is headed, whether it's an AI-powered mortgage processor like SunWest Mortgage Company's Morgan.
As much as I love talking to borrowers and loan officers and realtors, I am not available 24 hours a day. And I don't know everything.
Or companies looking to see how they can tailor their products to the needs of the industry.
I hope to be able to sit down with a lot of the lenders and just figure out what's important to them so that we can make those tweaks to our product so it's
Industry vets say that you shouldn't let tech get in the way of building relationships. Instead, these tools should give you more time to find your new loan.
Technology is just going to assist us being more efficient and allowing for the growth.
The buyers still want to work with somebody that they care about. Typically, they'll start with their real estate agent, then the real estate agent will pass that down to a lending partner that they trust.
For the Mortgage News Network, I'm Christine Stewart.
Thanks, Christine. And you'll want to be as efficient as possible as sales remain down. Now, applications have rebounded with rates slipping, but economists at Fannie Mae say that will be short-lived. The company says that the ongoing volatility in the banking system is likely a sign that a recession is coming. And while economists don't see a repeat of the 2008 collapse, it will slow home sales. Fannie Mae now expects just $1.55 trillion in originations for the year, down significantly from their forecast just last month. And that's in part because jumbo and construction loans will be harder to come by as small and mid-sized banks appear to be tightening their credit standards. At the same time, owners will choose to stay in place, keeping their current mortgage and lower rate. You can find a full breakdown of the newest forecast at nationalmortgageprofessional.com. Coming up, we'll tell you how you can assess your team's performance.
Tired of turndowns and wasting 25 basis points or more on slow and manual loan processing? Divorce your processor and break free with Morgan Chat AI. There are no bad deals or tough loans, only deserving families that need AI-driven fast and accurate service. We treat every client fairly and with empathy. AI that understands how you feel.
I am Morgan. I get you.
Welcome back. Want to know if you're giving a good customer service experience? Why not copy what retailers and restaurants do? Try Secret Shopper. Stratmore Group says we can learn a lot from the chain Five Guys, which ranks 9th in sales among burger joints. And they do it with minimal advertising. Instead, they spend $22 million a year on secret shoppers, making sure that each store meets the expectations of the chain's devoted fans. Yet lenders rarely use secret shoppers. These pretend customers can test your system and team for friendliness and customer service. Some of the things you can evaluate include whether your website is friendly to smartphone users, how long it takes your team to respond when someone contacts you online, and what notes and follow-up instructions your salespeople write down after talking with a client. In other news, today is your last chance to recognize companies that are dedicated to helping LGBTQ+ people both in and out of the office. Proud, resilient, inclusive, strong, motivational. These are all attributes of companies we're looking to recognize in NMP Magazine's inaugural Prism Awards. Now's your chance to be recognized. Nominations should be for companies that promote safe and inclusive workspaces and those that are supportive of LGBTQ+ programs such as fair housing initiatives. Honorees will be announced in the June issue of NMP Magazine. You can submit a nomination at nmplink.com/Prism Awards. We'll be right back with what else is interesting today.
Join us at Mortgage Star, where women come together to celebrate and raise each other up while creating connections that will last a lifetime. Attend Mortgage Star in New Orleans on July 12th and stay an extra day to join us at the Ultimate Mortgage Expo.
Welcome back. Here's what else is interesting today. Loan Depot continues to sever ties with troubled banks. The company is ending a master repurchase agreement with Credit Suisse, giving the deal instead to Atlas securitized products. Under the agreement, Loan Depot sells assets, such as servicing rights, to Atlas for short-term cash. Loan Depot then buys those assets back at a higher price later on. The company disclosed the new agreement in an SEC filing Wednesday. Earlier this month, the struggling lender rushed to withdraw $225 million after Signature Bank closed. For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.